Good morning, people. I just decided that I'm gonna make a vlog and it's gonna be in English. It's morning, by the way, here in Slovenia, like 11. I gotta go to get some parts for the car to make a regular service. And I was just eating uštipke. I don't know if you know what is uštipke. Uštipke is kind of like like a pancakes. A Bosnian version of a pancake. And I usually eat uštipke with Nutella. Sorry for my throat, but it's morning. And like always, I'm listening to the radio. Now, usually I don't listen to news because I hate news. Because news, they bring you just bad news, you know. They put you in a bad mood, which is, for my opinion, terrible because all people are in depression and everything. You know, I figured out that there is no good news on the news. They're always all warning, caution. There's something wrong, something happened, terrible, you know, and people are always in fear. So that means news and government keeps people in the fear so they can control them with goddamn news. So what did I do? I stopped watching news. And since I'm not watching news, I live better. I live better because I don't give a shit about what the hell is happening there. But now I was eating my breakfast and I'm like, okay, let me listen to some old songs, you know, Radio Actual, and there were news because they're sharing with Radio Salomon the news. And I heard one terrible news that an 18 years old boy died after I don't know how many days he was in hospital because a car hit him on a pedestrian walk. You know, no, he didn't hit him on a pedestrian walk, he hit him on when you cross the road, you know, those zebra lines. And I'm like, how the fuck that shit happens here, man? Where the fuck do I live? You know, I get it, man. There's like a lot of people who don't care. Oh, I got right to cross the road. And they just like always on the fucking phones. No, they don't fucking care left or right. They just fucking step on the road. And of course you're in the car, maybe listening to some music, typing on the fucking phone. Or there's a woman blowing your dick and suddenly they jump in front of you. And you boom hit him. But what I figured out, what I saw in other countries, especially Germany, Austria, America, fucking people are like, you know, like they're protected animals. You know, when you just get close to the side of the pedestrian walk, you want to cross, fucking people in the cars are stopping. Oh, I'm like, what the hell? Here on Balkan, they don't give a shit. They're gonna fucking hit you, man. Get the fuck off the road. You know, cars are ruling here, man. And that's what shows how fucking primitive we are here on Balkan. How fucking primitive. No wonder people are dying. But I'm judging the both sides. Pedestrians and the fucking car drivers. You know, fucking pedestrians, stop typing on the fucking phone when you are close to the road. Especially if you're crossing the road. Why? Oh, I got right. Oh, I can cross the road. Oh, I can cross it. You know, I can cross it. Yes, I have the right. This fucking right is gonna write on your tombstone when you're gonna be dead. Who cares about who has right? You gotta watch yourself. When you step on the border of the pedestrian, watch left, right, left. When you cross, left, right, left. You gotta fucking save your life. I mean, protect yourself. Because car drivers are not gods. You know, maybe she has a fucking blonde girl blowing his job. He's like, oh, he doesn't see. And I hate that in fucking days. Oh, Slovenia, it's fucking modern country. It's shit. It's fucking primitive Balkan country. Because people are like fucking seljaci, villagers, rednecks, pičke, materine. They don't fucking care, there's no culture. Nema kulture like we say, you know. But on the north, people are stopping, you know. Because they know fucking pedestrian can sue you. But on the other side, car drivers, me myself are fucking type sometimes. But I'm always so fucking careful because I was driving instructor. And I know that. When I see how people drive in this fucking country, I'm like, God bless. You know, who the fuck gave them driver license? You know? So you gotta be careful. When you're walking, don't fucking watch those phones. Check out the road, left, right, left. When you cross, be careful. And you in the cars, give the right. It's right. They have to cross it. Be very careful. You know, be careful. People are like fucking sheeps. They don't think, I got right to cross. It's gonna be on your tombstone, bro. And you, which are you driving a car, you're gonna have that on your conscience whole your life. So I'm really fucking sad that that boy died. He was only 18 years old, man. 18 years old and he's gone. He's gone. So when we're gonna change in Slovenia that shit, that we are driving defensive, not fucking offensive, then things are gonna change. That's my vlog in English, guys. Make sure to come on my Twitch where I stream, play games, and see you next time. Bye.